Yo, what's up, guys? CFY Gaming here. Chubby Chung Brothers food channel. So here I got the 7-Eleven Bullseye barbecue chicken wings. Alright, so they are 10 for $8, and at the moment you do get 500 bonus points at 7-Eleven. So let's check it out. Wow. Wow, check that out. Yummy. So they are the crispy chicken, and they are farmed in Canada apparently, so go Canada. Alright, so I'm gonna try one and let you guys know what I think. Alright? Alright guys, I am ready to test this out. Alright. Wish me luck. So here it is. Alright, Bullseye crispy chicken wings from 7-Eleven. Alright, cool. Not bad for 10 for $8, right? So chicken wings are soft, and you can't, I mean, the taste is okay. You can't go wrong for that price. It's not bad, and it was made fresh, so they're pretty big chicken wings too. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a happy new year. So far I've been unlucky. My work laptop got some hot chocolate on it. I spilled some on it. Luckily enough, tech support was able to clean it, so got all that hot chocolate out, and it's working. You know, my car broke down, so I'm living without a car right now for like 2 weeks, and taking public transit to work, which takes like an hour and a half to go there, and then an hour and a half to get back. So, you know, just gotta stay positive, you know, make some videos, you know, and that's it. So I finished one. Look at this massive thing, yeah? It's 10 for $8. This is what you get. Massive chicken wing. 7-Eleven. Flavor is not bad, but could be better. So that's it, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay positive, and wish you all the best for the Happy New Year, and wish you health, success, and you know, anything that you wish for or your goals, you know, just stay positive, and you guys will achieve it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Alright, so Chubby Chung Brothers, we are out. Peace.